हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई मोनिका एंड आई वेलकम यू ऑल बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज का वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है बिकॉज टुडे आई विल बी शेयरिंग विद यू ऑल द प्रोडक्ट एम्प्टीज दैट आई हैव गैदर्ड थ्रूआउट मंथ्स एंड मंथ्स सिंस आई स्टार्टेड दिस चैनल। तो कोई एम्प्टीज लाइक आई टुक बिफोर आई स्टार्टेड दिस चैनल, कोई एम्प्टीज कोई products I took when I started this channel, so all of them are empty and are ready to be reviewed. तो मैं आपको इनको रेटिंग दूंगी, सारे products को I'll be giving ratings basis on their performance. So I'll be sharing how I like the product, what are the pros and cons of the product, and I'll give them ratings. So आपका time भी ज़्यादा waste ना हो in watching this video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So for the first product I have the Pond's moisturizer here, and this is my holy grail product. I've been using this for quite a long time. Like ये एक ही moisturizer है that I keep using all the time. I have used a couple of other moisturizers as well, but they are very rare. Like एक बार मैंने I think Plum का moisturizer use किया था, Dot & Key का moisturizer use किया था, but nothing comes close to this particular product. Now I always sometimes I purchase a 50 gram product. ये 100 gram है और अभी मैंने अपग्रेड किया है to almost 200 ml gram whatever बोल दो product. So the pros about this moisturizer is that it is a lightweight gel based moisturizer. It glides very smoothly on your skin. और dry skin के लिए I would say you skip the product because ये बहुत ही lightweight है, तो आपकी skin अगर बहुत cracked है तो it's useless for you all, but for oily skin girls like me, इसलिए मैंने ये बहुत ज़्यादा परचेज किया है बिकॉज इट्स सच अ होली ग्रेल फॉर ऑयली स्किन गर्ल्स. इट डजेंट कॉन्स तो मुझे अभी तक कोई दिखा नहीं है. आई थिंक आई डोंट हैव एनी कॉन्स अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट. सो लेट मी कम टू द प्राइस पॉइंट. ये आपको नायका पे मिल जाएगा. इसके डिफरेंट प्राइसेस चेंज होते रहते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेल एंड ऑल. आई थिंक इट्स अराउंड 273. ये 100 ग्राम का है, वो मुझे आई थिंक 273 और सेल में मुझे 180 पे मिला था. सो दैट्स द प्राइस पॉइंट ऑफ दिस. तो आप नायका पे देख सकते हो, नायका पे ग्रेट डील्स कम ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज सो मेनी पीपल ऑर्डर इट. तो नायका पे हमेशा डील्स चलते रहते हैं. सो कमिंग टू द रेटिंग पार्ट ऑफ दिस मॉइस्चराइजर, अगर मुझे इस प्रोडक्ट को रेटिंग देना है तो आई विल गिव इट अ सॉलिड 5 on 5 बिकॉज ये इतना अच्छा है. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट फॉर सो मेनी ईयर्स नाउ. आई थिंक सिंस आई वाज 2021 एंड आई वाज इंट्रोड्यूस, जब ये प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च हुआ था, आई थिंक I've been a fan of this, and इतने कम प्राइस पे है that you just don't want to experiment and invest in other moisturizer जबकि आपको ये इतने सस्ते में इतना अच्छा प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा है. So the next product I have come up with is the Dot & Key toner. This comes in this plastic bottle. It doesn't have a spray, which is a con for me because I think I have moved on to face mist like toners. I use them like toners, so I think this is a very big con for me that it doesn't have a spray. बाकी the name is Blueberry Hydrate Barrier Repair Milky Toner Essence, and it retails for rupees 449 और ये मुझे discounted obviously मिला था नायका पे. But I would like to say that this toner is not effective for me, at least मैंने इसको use किया है and it's like it has a milky consistency as the name suggests. milky consistency तो है, बट ये इतना अच्छा काम I don't think like it works really great कि इसको आपको purchase करना चाहिए. So I would say rather you skip it. So it comes with 5 ceramides and hyaluronic acid. There are a lot of claims with this skincare products. I must tell you, you have to be very discerning. आपको ठीक तरीके से जांच करनी चाहिए that which product is good, which is really clinically tested. Dot & Key is such a brand. I would say जितना मैंने research किया है अभी तक brands पे, Dot & Key is such a brand. मुझे नहीं लगता they have put in a lot of effort in their research for products. So I usually don't buy their products unless it's like a face wash और ये तो मैंने experiment करने के लिए लाया है. So I would give it a 2 on 5. इसको मैं rating 2 on 5 दूंगी because it's not that great और मेरे लिए इतना अच्छा work नहीं किया है इसलिए. Next product is again my holy grail, the only foundation, the high-end foundation that I purchased for my wedding, and since then 3 साल के लिए मैंने ये foundation चलाया था. I really vouch by this product. तो अगर आपको एक luxury foundation लेना है अपनी life में, if you want to spend a lot of money on one foundation, it should be on this Lancome foundation. It's a Lancome Teint Idole ultra wear foundation, and as the name suggests, it's really ultra wearing. I wore it on my wedding and I had a morning and an afternoon and an evening function, and it lasted throughout all those functions. And when I went to the hotel again, तभी भी ये last हुआ था, and that is why I vouch for this product. तो ये जो लॉन्कॉम का फाउंडेशन है, इट्स अ सिलिकॉन बेस्ड फाउंडेशन एंड इट इज़ अ रियली थिन फॉर्मूला. ओके, सो यू कैन रीअप्लाई इट टू बिल्ड द टू बिल्ड द कलर, टू बिल्ड द पिगमेंट, आप इसको रीअप्लाई कर सकते हो. Which is what I like about the product, that it is not very heavy, तो आप इसको reapply कर सकते हो. And for the days you want to go very minimal, very dewy, very skin like, so you can just apply one layer and you're good to go. This foundation मैंने इसलिए purchase किया था. I remember purchasing it at Sephora in Pune. मेरे city में कोल्हापुर में तो Sephora available नहीं है, so I went to Pune ka Sephora to purchase this, and when that makeup artist applied this on me, I was in love with the product. So for reference, my shade is 400W. तो अगर आपको ये शेड लेना है, आप मेरे स्किन टोन के हैं, तो you can definitely purchase this foundation. इसको मैं solid 5/5 रेटिंग दूंगी because it's such a beautiful formula. इतना लाइट वेट है और easily ये आपके स्किन पे ग्लाइड होता है. If you use it with a right primer, there is no base like this. Like if you use it with the best primer और ये, you're good to go. कभी कभी आपको concealer की भी ज़रूरत नहीं होगी. Unless you have bad dark circles like me, you don't even need a concealer. This foundation will be enough for those days when you really don't want to do any makeup. Especially for weddings, if you want to buy one foundation, weddings पे हम लोग बहुत खर्चा करते हैं, we buy a lot of good makeup. तो अगर weddings पे आपको एक foundation लेना है, तो I would suggest you go for this foundation. So the next product that I am talking about is another foundation. अभी ये foundation मैंने Lancome से पहले लिया था. So before my weddings, I wanted to try different foundation कि कौन सा foundation would look a little better. तो मैं पहले Nykaa से order करती थी until I really went to Sephora, got myself a makeup artist do my makeup. तब तक मैंने like that was the best experience ever. You should definitely go to a store, Sephora या Nykaa, and get the makeup artist try different foundations on your skin. That's the best experience. But मैंने उससे पहले Lancome से पहले एक luxury foundation खरीदा था, a mini bottle just to try, which is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation. So it also has SPF. So if you're looking for a built-in sunscreen, this is your go to. ये आपका फाउंडेशन होगा. Now I purchased a mini version क्योंकि मुझे ट्राई करना था. अभी इसको मैंने शेल, I think my shade in this will be shell beige, 4N1 shell beige. This is my shade just for reference. So with this foundation, when a lot of influencer, a lot of content creators, beauty content creators rave a lot about this product, but I personally didn't like it that much because it feels a lot heavy on my face and it cracks easily. Like, I put it on my face and after 15-20 minutes it's just cracking all over the face. So I really don't recommend this product. At least for a person like me, I didn't like it, but many people love it, so please don't come at me. This didn't work for me. Okay, तो ये मेरे लिए बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं किया. It started cracking and it felt really heavy. And as a girl, I prefer lightweight, thin formulas. मुझे heavy makeup या फिर heavy foundation बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है. I tend to avoid them. इसीलिए मैंने अभी K Beauty का foundation लिया है, which is also again a lightweight formula. Heavy base foundation I hate, तो मैं purchase ही नहीं करती. So for this Estee Lauder, I would give it again a 2 or even 1.5 because ये बिल्कुल भी मेरे लिए work नहीं किया है. Okay, the next product I am talking about is a setting spray. This is the Makeup Revolution Creator Revolution's fixing spray. ये fixing spray है. अभी I came to know recently through an Instagram reel कि दो type of sprays होते हैं. एक तो fixing spray होता है which you apply before applying your makeup, और एक होता है setting spray which you apply after applying, like after आपका makeup खत्म हुआ है you apply a setting spray. तो this particular spray जो fixing spray है, it is supposed to be applied before your makeup. जब before आपके base वगैरह या फिर आपका base लगाने के बाद आप ये लगा सकते हो fixing spray. I didn't know this, तो ये मैं setting spray की तरह ही यूज़ कर रही थी and this was a freebie anyways. मैंने Makeup Revolution का बड़ा आई shadow palette खरीदा था and after that I got this as a freebie. So talking about this setting spray, it did a good job as a setting spray. It's very dewy. So if you want a very dewy finish as a setting spray, ये बहुत अच्छा काम करता है. I haven't used it like a fixing spray. अभी मुझे अभी ये concept पता चला है, so I haven't used it. But setting spray के लिए it's a solid product. मतलब इतना dewy finish है इसका. It gives you a very beautiful, like you will feel that your makeup is almost like nothing. मतलब इतना ड्यूई लगता है, इतना हेल्दी और फ्रेश लगता है. तो आई थिंक आई शुड गिव इट अ 4 or 5 because it's a really good product. Okay, for the next product I would like to take you through another setting spray, but इसमें एक आयरनी है. आई हैव नॉट यूज द प्रोडक्ट. इसमें अभी तक थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट है, इफ यू कैन हियर दिस. अभी तक थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट है इसमें, एंड द रीजन इज इट्स द वर्स्ट सेटिंग स्प्रे. इसको मैं 0/5 दूंगी. 0 पहले ही रेटिंग बता रही हूँ, 0/5. इतना मेरे स्किन को इरिटेट किया. इट इरिटेटेड माई स्किन टू अनदर एक्सटेंट बिकॉज इट हैज़ अल्कोहल कंटेंट. मैंने अभी एक रील में देखा था दैट दिस हैज़ अल्कोहल कंटेंट इन इट, सो यू बेटर स्किप दिस इफ़ यू आर बाइंग दिस. प्लीज़ डोंट बाय इट. मेरे लिए तो बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं किया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट डिस्प्लेस्ड माई मेकअप क्वाइट अ बिट. अभी मैंने ये लगाया नहीं है, इसको मैंने फेंकने वाली हूँ. इट डिस्प्लेस्ड माई मेकअप, पूरा क्रैक कर दिया था स्किन को. सेकेंडली it started irritating my skin to the point that I got some red rashes over here. So it gave me a sort of an allergy. So I would not recommend this product to anybody who's buying this product. Please skip this. There are a lot of cheaper alternatives than this. Faces Canada का जो toner है, that's better than this. It's non-comedogenic as well. This has a lot of alcohol content. You can just see it when it starts irritating your skin immediately. So skip it. It's a 0/5 for me for this. The next product is a setting powder. तो ये setting powder भी मैंने अपने I had purchased it for my wedding. wedding के टाइम पे मैंने एक ट्रूजो बनाया था अपना, और उसमें मैंने एक setting powder भी लिया था. And it was recommended. All these products mostly were recommended to me by my cousin sister. So this is the ELF Halo Glow setting powder. I have mixed feeling about this because I hadn't used any other loose powder before. तब मुझे ये अच्छा लगता था क्योंकि मैंने कोई और loose powder कभी भी नहीं यूज़ किया था. This was my first loose powder that I had used. That is why मुझे अच्छा लगता था. So I used to love it. It is a finely milled formula. अच्छा काम करता है, but उसका pigment बहुत ही low है. It has a very less pigment. तो you know, when you apply it, it's as if you have applied nothing. That's my only problem. And for reference, my shade is medium. Okay, I think yeah, it's medium. So whenever I used to apply this on my face, I used to feel I have applied nothing. It used to set बहुत अच्छा करता था under eyes या फिर और around the nose, around my lips. अच्छा conceal करता, अच्छा set करता था. But there was no pigment. That was the problem. अब मुझे कब समझा that there is no pigment, और अगर pigment होता तो अच्छा होता. When I purchased my next loose powder जो कि है Maybelline का, I have shown you in a lot of videos, in a lot of shorts, I use the Maybelline loose powder. That powder is another level. क्या pigment देता है वो. It's like really the best. उसमें pigment भी है. It brightens up your under eyes like anything, and I think it's the best. तो इसको मैं दूंगी 3/5. I think 3/5 रेटिंग इसको दूंगी मैं. So you can go ahead and purchase. आपको ट्राई करना है, बट उससे इससे भी cheap Maybelline का है, तो I think you should go for the Maybelline one. Again, next is a toner or a face mist, which is the Moody 7D Hydro Burst Moisture Magnet Essence Face Mist. बहुत बड़ा नाम है. It has hyaluronic and coconut water. Now this is by far the most best face mist I have ever used. This is such a good face mist. When I apply it, मैं जब spray करती हूँ, it instantly makes my skin feel so fresh, you know. और इसका स्मेल भी इतना अच्छा है. इट्स नॉट ओवरपावरिंग, इट्स जस्ट सटल, एंड आई लव द प्रोडक्ट. तो और आयरॉनिकली इट्स एट अ वेरी चीप प्राइस. बहुत ही कम प्राइस में मिला था. आई थिंक समवेयर अराउंड 200 पे मुझे मिला था, एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी विद द प्रोडक्ट. क्योंकि see, it's not irritating. I don't think it has alcohol content. It doesn't have alcohol content in it. It just has propanediol, glycerine, aloe vera, leaf juice, coconut का है ये. So it has niacinamide भी है. So the ingredients are quite safe, and I guess this is what you want in a face mist. It should not irritate you. So if you're going anywhere for a vacation, for travel, आप इसको लेके जा सकते हो. And because it's so cheap, ये 100 ml का है, 110 ml का है, और इतना cheap आता है ये. You just apply it on the go. You're good to go. आप fresh feel करते हो. That's the best thing ever. So if you're going for any face mist at a discounted, at a cheap rate, you should go for this. I would give it a solid 4.5 out of 5 because it really makes your skin rejuvenated and fresh. Now again I have a toner over here, which is the Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island It's a Korean face mist. It's White Lotus Natural Face Mist and Toner. तो इसको I use it as a toner as well as a face mist. Mostly I use it as a toner when I wash my face and I just spritz this on my face और तब मैं अपना moisturizer apply करती हूँ. Now I have purchased this again. It's also at a very discounted price. 200-300 के प्राइस में आपको ये मिल जाएगा. I love this. ये बहुत अच्छा टोनर है. The reason is the spray. इसका जो spray है, if you can see the nozzle, ये correct spray करता है आपके face पे. Okay, you don't have to, you know, the spray bottle mainly उसका spray किसी भी toner का या face mist का अगर spray nozzle अच्छा हो, I love that face mist या toner कोई भी हो. And it makes your face look really dewy. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ after I finish my makeup, instead of setting spray पहले मैं इसको अप्लाई करती थी. I used to spray my face with this toner. It used to give me a very healthy natural look. So if I have to rate this, I will rate it a solid 4.5 again क्योंकि ये बहुत अच्छा toner है. It really like before applying your moisturizer आप इसको apply करो, your skin will feel really good. Just a disclaimer about toners. Now toners are really meant to, you know, do something for your pores. ये जो मैंने बताया है that doesn't do that. It just makes your skin feel healthy, fresh and, you know, plump. उतना काम करता है. अभी इसके लिए such big pores के लिए either you have to go take a treatment, okay, डर्मेट के पास जाके ट्रीटमेंट लो या फिर उनसे जाके आप कुछ sprays लो, मिस्ट लो, या फिर ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड इज ऑल्सो अ रियली गुड. लाइक ऑर्डिनरी का जो ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड आता है दैट यू कैन ट्राई for your big pores, but I don't think these kind of sprays work for such big pores. You need a dermat for that. Next is again my holy grail, my all time favorite. मैं उसको like 10 बार use कर चुकी हूँ. I have not used any other concealer than this, which is the Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer. I have not used any other. इससे ही आपको पता चल गया होगा how much I love this product. Now this conceals my under eyes really best. Like my under eyes are really bad. I have like actually raccoon eyes. मेरे under eyes because I don't sleep properly, so मेरे under eyes बहुत गंदे हैं. But still it does a better job of concealing them. मेरा shade जो है वो है I think 40 something. I would put it on the screen. 40 कुछ तो है मेरा इसमें 40 caramel. Yes, 40 caramel is my shade in this particular concealer. So this concealer is a very lightweight formula. Again heavy नहीं है. अब मैंने रिसेंटली ही मार्स का एक कंसीलर परचेज किया था विच इज़ 1 shade lighter or 2 shades lighter you can say to my skin tone just to brighten my under eyes. That concealer has such a bad fragrance. वो इतना thick है. So I had a very bad experience. I'm mixing that with this and now applying it on my eyes, under my eyes. So this is not like that. This is very lightweight, easily blendable, and it does a good job, a decent job of covering your under eyes. I wouldn't go for any other concealer other than this because it is very easy to apply on the go. मुझे on the go products बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं where you don't require a lot of time in applying them. This is that sunscreen, this is that concealer. I'm saying sunscreen all the time, but this is that concealer. Or if I have to rate this, it will be again a solid 5 on 5. That much I love this concealer. Next is a body care product. अभी body washes मैं इतना तो use नहीं करती. I rarely buy body washes because I'm too lazy, you know, to use a loofah and all. Soaps are easy for me. I'm a very lazy girl when it comes to certain things. That's why even makeup I don't like where ज़्यादा application के लिए ज़्यादा time लग रहा है. So I am a very, you know, easy product वाली girl. So for some time, but like for those days when I really want to feel good, smell fresh, I buy a body wash. Now this is from the Nykaa's Wanderlust range. This one. It's the Japanese cherry blossom. इसका ये flavor whatever you call it है. It's the Nykaa Wanderlust range में से है. Now this was the best body wash I ever purchased. इससे पहले मैंने I think B Body Wise का purchase किया था just to try it out. But I don't think it's that good. Like मुझे body acne नहीं है. So and I don't have any irritation on my back or on my body, so it didn't do that much for me. And I like body washes with a little fragrance in them to just feel a little fresh. So I think मुझे अभी purchase करना पड़ेगा. ये मैंने बहुत पहले लाया था. It's like 5-6 months old वाला body wash. I think I'm going to repurchase this again because इसका smell it's divine. It's really divine. If you like put this on your body, you are going to smell like a flower. That's how beautiful this is. I would give it again a solid 5 on 5 because this was one of the best body washes I've ever used. Next is a skincare product. This is the Plums Rice Water and a Niacinamide Serum. अभी ये सीरम जो है I I just keep buying serums to test them out. This is a really good serum. Okay, for a long run, it has really helped my skin to look a bit even. I wouldn't say this is the best serum for me because मैंने इससे पहले I have used the Simple's hyaluronic acid serum. That was the only best serum up till now that I have used. This is also a good serum, but इसको मुझे और I have to use it a bit more continuously to give any verdict on this. But I have used this very inconsistently. Like 2 दिन यूज़ किया, फिर उसके बाद उसको रख दिया, फिर 3-4 दिन यूज़ किया, फिर रख दिया. So I don't really know how and what it does. But I felt after using it कि मुझे मेरे जो dark marks है वो थोड़ा fade होने लगे थे. So for that I would give it a 3.5. Now next is the Lancome's primer. It is the La Base Pro primer. I don't know how to pronounce the French part of it, but it is the perfecting makeup primer smoothing effect. I'm doubtful about that. मैंने इसको यूज़ किया है. Again it's a silicone based primer, but इसका silicone जो texture है it's a very thin. तो ये easily glide होता है स्किन पे as compared to मेरे पास अभी नाइका का प्राइमर है. नाइका का प्राइमर जो उसका सिलिकॉन टेक्सचर है बहुत हैवी है. It takes time, but I would say that is much better than this. इसका ज़्यादा कुछ काम ही नहीं था. Like I used it along with my Lancome foundation and I would say it didn't work that great. But when I used my Nykaa का जो प्राइमर है with my foundation, Lancome foundation, I felt the makeup seemed to look much better. उसका जो silicone texture है, if I tell you, it's a bit heavier and thicker. It helps conceal and blur out your pores much better as compared to this. ये भी अच्छा है. I mean, I'm not saying it's bad, but I would like there are much other primers available in the market at a much discounted price. ये 3,000 का पड़ा मुझे. And now what I'm using is much cheaper. Like the Nykaa one is I think around 400 rupees. The अभी मैं use कर रही हूँ Elf primer, which is the best again. This is for 1,300 rupees. So I think there are cheaper alternatives. तो क्यों इस पे पैसे खर्च करें? So I think I would give it again a 3.5 on 5. Last but not the least, मैंने इसको purposely I kept it for the last bit because it's a fragrance. I wanted to just give you my take on it. It's a Studio West perfume. West side का है ये, West side से है ये. It's in the इसका जो variant है, it's in the variant Bali. I would say this is really good. बहुत long lasting है ये. I got it for around 199 something rupees और considering the price, this is a really good perfume. Smell भी इसका बहुत अच्छा है. It's more aquatic like aqua notes बहुत ज़्यादा है इसमें. It's too good. Aqua notes ज़्यादा है इसमें and this is a very long staying perfume. मैंने इसको अपने एक बार एक टॉप पे लगाया था and it stayed for almost 2-3 days until I washed that top. So I think that's a really good thing for this kind of a price point. These are available in many variants. You should just check out the West Side store or you can even check out their website. So I think this is a really great buy. अगर आपको ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं खर्च करना है, you want just a good perfume to wear on a daily basis, I think you should go for this. I would give the West Side perfume a solid 4.5 on 5. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. मैंने आपको मेरे बहुत सारे empties दिखाए हैं. These empties are collected over the years. मतलब I don't make empties on 1 year 2 year basis because इतना मैं अपने products को use ही नहीं करती, इतना कम. I use them for a period of time and that is why ये सब empties मैंने collect किए हुए हैं. Now I think you have to wait a few more months I think because I'll be doing an empties video again pretty soon because I won't wait so long to collect these many products. It will come very soon. तब थोड़े बहुत products आपको दिखेंगे. So I would like to give you a conclusion or a derivative from this video. The thing is that you don't have to purchase again many things to fill your vanity or to fill your skin care, body care, this thing. You need a very few products और इसीलिए मेरे इतने सारे जो empties है collect हुए हैं from a very long time. So my message to you all is use very less products, spend your money wisely. और आपको इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यूज़ वन फाउंडेशन फॉर 2 years, उतनी उसकी एक्सपायरी डेट भी है होती है. यूज़ अ कंसीलर टिल इट गेट्स ओवर. So that's how you will be able to make it more sustainable, make your whole spending and your using more sustainable. Thank you and bye.